Hello scholars, welcome back. In today's class, we are going to start with 5th chapter from our New Images textbook. So I want you all to get ready with page number 42. Let's read the chapter name. Make sure you put your index finger below the words that we are reading. The chapter name is Sleepy, Sleepy. Harry, Harry. Sleepy Harry. There is a line below it. Let's read that. Who? Is NT is the short form of not. So is not sleepy at all. So the name of the chapter is Sleepy Harry, who is not sleepy at all. Let's find out why this Harry does not want to sleep. Okay? Let's open page number 43. Put your finger below the first line. I, do, not, not, like, to, go, to bed. Sleepy, little. Harry, said. Go, naughty. Betty. Go, away. Next line. Will, not, come, at all. I say. Let's repeat these 4 lines again. Put your finger below the first line. I do not like to go to bed. Sleepy little Harry said. Go, naughty Betty, go away. I will not come at all, I say. So what is Harry saying here? That he does not want to go to bed. He do not like to go to bed and sleep. And that too, when is he saying? When he is actually sleepy. Isn't he just like you all? You feel sleepy in the night, but still you just want to sit and play. Many of you, don't you feel like that? Yes. So this sleepy Harry is sleepy but do not want to go to bed. And what is he saying? Go, naughty Betty, go away. He's asking Betty to go away. Now who can be Betty here? Betty might be Harry's sister. So he is saying, go away. I will not come at all. I will not come to bed at all, I say. Okay. Next paragraph. Put your finger below the line. Silly, silly. Child, child. What is he saying? Next line. As if, he, could, always, playing. Next line. Then, Betty, Betty, you, M-U-S-T, must. Come and C-A-R-R-Y, carry. This V-E-R-Y, very. Foolish, F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish. Little Harry. Let's repeat these 4 lines again. Oh silly child, what is he saying? As if he could be always playing. So what is Betty saying? That this Harry is a silly child who doesn't want to listen and just wants to play all the time. So what is it written? Next line. Then Betty, you must come and carry this very foolish little Harry. So Harry says, Betty, you must come and carry me. You must come, carry me and take me. Okay? Next line. The L-I-T-T-L-E, little. B-I-R-D-S, birds. A-R-E-R. B-E-T-T-E-R, better. T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. Next line. T-H-E-Y, they. Go to. R-O-O-S-T, roost. W-H-E-N, when. T-H-E-Y, they. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Next line. And all the. D-U-C-K-S, ducks. And F-O-W-L-S, fowls. Y-O-U-U-K-N-O-W, no. Next line. T-H-E-Y, they. W-E-N-T, went. T-O-2, bed. An. H-O-U-R, hour. A-G-O, ago. So, I'll repeat these lines, last 4 lines again. The little birds are better taught. Little birds, the birds which are flying outside, are better taught. What are they better taught? They go to roost. What is roost? R-O-O-S-T, roost. Roost is a place where birds sleep. Okay? And the little birds are better taught that they should go to their own bed and sleep on time. That's what Betty is saying. And all the ducks and fowls, they went to bed an hour ago. That means all the ducks and fowls. Fowls means they are birds like a chicken. Even they have slept an hour ago. They have already slept some time ago and still Harry is awake. That's what Betty is saying. So, isn't it a cute poem? So, how many of you do this before going to bed? No, Mama, I don't want to sleep. I'm sure many of you, isn't it? But it is a good habit to always go to bed early, sleep early and wake up early. Alright? Now, turn to page number 44. Let's do the first exercise A1. Let's read the question. Okay? Put your finger below the question. Say if the FOLLOWING following STATEMENTS statements are TRUE true or false. So we have to read the statements given below and say if they are true. True means right, or if they are false. That means if they are wrong, we have to put a tick on F. Okay? Let's find out. First one. Harry, W-A-N-T-S, wants to sleep. So children, tell me, does Harry wants to sleep in the poem? No, the Harry does not wants to sleep. It's wrong. So when it is wrong, what do we say it is? False. So put a tick on F. Let's read number 2. Betty is Harry's sister. So Betty is Harry's sister, yes or no? It cannot be mother because he says, no, go naughty Betty, go away. So might be his sister. So write true. Put a tick on T. Next, number 3. Harry, W-A-N-T-S, wants to play all N-I-G-H-T night. Harry wants to play all night. True or false? That's true. Put a tick on T. Number 4. The little birds went to bed an HOURR ago. The little birds went to bed an hour ago. True or false? That's true. Yes, they went to bed an hour before Harry. Put a tick on T. So children, we are done with the poem and the exercise as well. Now, the dictation words and question and answers related to this chapter will be given in the description box below. Click on the link. You will find a PDF. From there, write the dictation words and question and answers in your copies very neatly. Now, it's time for today's good habit. The good habit for today is we need to sleep early in the night and wake up early in the morning. This will help to keep our body and brain healthy. That's why it is said early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. I hope you already practice this every day. If you don't, start doing it from today. Go to bed early and wake up early in the morning. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, you take care and be safe at home.